Hi everyone, this is how to make your Zoom experience so much better when playing music. So music and speaking are very different, and so it needs different audio settings. So you come over here to the mute button and you click on this arrow, you go to audio settings. And you want to make sure that the automatically adjust microphone volume is not checked. So just like this. So if it is checked, then uncheck it. What happens is that when we speak, the Zoom quality will adjust for our volume, but we don't want that to happen with music. That really creates some very wonky sounding music. Next, we go to advanced, then click on this box so that it's like this. You want the option to enable original sound if you'd like. Next, come over here to suppress persistent background noise, and you want to disable that. And suppress intermittent background noise, also disable that. And once you do that, you will have a superior Zoom experience for your music making. All right, enjoy!